Dear 10th class students, today's session is doubts clarification session. The first question is from progressions. If the 19th term of arithmetic progression is 0, then find the ratio of 49th term and 29th term. A19 is equal to A plus 18D. It is given as 0. We know that nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. According to this formula, we are writing A19 is equal to A plus 18D. 0 it is given. By sending 18D to right side, we will get A is equal to minus 18D. In this question, we have to find the ratio of 49th term and 29th term. A49 is A plus 48D. Similarly, A29 is A plus 28D. We know the value of A is minus 18D. So it is minus 18D plus 48D by minus 18D plus 28D. It is nothing but 30D by 10D. By simplification, we will get 3. That means its solution is 3:1. Now let us go for second question. If A1, A2, A3, so and so on are in arithmetic progression such that A1 plus A7 plus A16 is equal to 40, then find the sum of the first 15 terms in arithmetic progression. It is given that A1 plus A7 plus A16 is equal to 40. A1 means A, A7 means A plus 6D, A16 means A plus 15D. By summing up these terms, we will get 3A plus 6D plus 15D is 21D is equal to 40. Dividing each term with 3, we get A plus 7D is equal to 40 by 3. Now, in this question, he asked to find sum of first 15 terms. Sum of first n terms, the formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. According to this formula, substituting 15 in place of n, it is 15 by 2 into 2a plus 14d. That is equal to, by simplification, we will get 15 into a plus 7d. A plus 7d is already we know it is 40 by 3. So 15 into 40 by 3. Now its answer is 200. Let us go for third question. If tan 23 into tan theta is equal to 1, then find theta. Here tan theta is equal to 1 by tan 23. 1 by tan 23 is nothing but cot 23. Cot 23 can be written as tan 90 minus 23. So it is tan theta is equal to tan 90 minus 23 is 67. So theta is equal to 67 degrees. Now let us go for fourth question. In an arithmetic progression, sum of first 7 terms is 49. Sum of first 17 terms is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. We know the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S7 is given. So 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d is equal to 49. By simplification, we will get a plus 3d is equal to 7. Similarly, A17 is equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d is equal to 289. Again by simplification, we will get a plus 8d is equal to 17. By subtracting first equation from second equation, we get 5d is equal to 10. That means d is equal to 2. Substituting the value of d is equal to 2 in first equation, we get a plus 6 is equal to 7. That implies a is equal to 1. Hence, Sn is equal to the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of a is 1 and the value of d is 2. So n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 2, that is equal to, by cancellation of 2 we will get n into 1 plus n minus 1, that is equal to n square. Now let us go for last question. If 2.3 power x is equal to 0.23 power y is equal to 1000, then show that 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. 2.3 power x is equal to 1000 implies x is equal to log of 1000 base 2.3. 1000 can be written as 10 cube. So 3 will come front side. So it is 3 into log 10 base 2.3. By reciprocating it, we will get 1 by x is equal to 1 by 3 into log of 2.3 base 10. That is equal to 1 by 3 into log of 2.3 can be written as 23 by 10 base 10. That is equal to 1 by 3 into log of 23 base 10 minus log of 10 base 10. Log of 10 base 10 is 1. So it becomes 1 by x is equal to 1 by 3 into log of 23 base 10 minus 1. The second one, 0.23 power y is equal to 1000. Again, y is equal to log of 10 cube base 0.23. So it is 3 into log 10 base 0.23. Again by reciprocation, we will get 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3 into log of 0.23 base 10. That is equal to 1 by 3 into log of 0.23 can be written as 23 by 100. That is equal to 1 by 3 into log of 23 base 10 minus log of 10 square base 10. So it becomes 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3 into log of 23 base 10 minus 2. By subtracting second equation from first equation, we get 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3 into log of 23 base 10 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 into log of 23 base 10 minus 2. Taking 1 by 3 as common, we will get log of 23 base 10 minus 1 minus log of 23 base 10, double minus becomes plus 2. So here log of 23 base 10 and log of 23 base 10 will be cancelled. Minus 1 plus 2 becomes 1. So 1 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. Hence proved. Thank you very much.